day everyone, and today we'll be talking about cell signaling.
These are the receptors. The receptors are where the ligands will bind. The signaling molecule is called the ligand. They bind to specific receptors. This is the target cell. The target cell contains the receptors where the ligand will bind. This is the sending cell. The sending cell releases the ligands that would bind to the receptors. First stage of cell signaling is reception. This is when the ligand binds to the receptor of the target cell. Most often, the events that happen here is the conformational changes in the receptor. The second stage of cell signaling is transduction. This is when the ligand is already bound to the receptor. There would be cascades of chemical reactions inside the cell that would relay the messages from chemical messengers up to the target molecule. The last stage in cell signaling is response. This is when the chemical messengers relay the information from the receptor and it reaches the target molecule. When this happens, usually the response of the cell is regulation or modification of the transcription or protein synthesis. Endocrine signaling. This involves two cells that are closely situated to each other. The sending cell and the target cell is not distant from each other, so the sending cell just sends ligand and then it will bind to the receptors of the nearby cell. The autocrine signaling, where a cell sends signal to itself, so it releases the ligand and then the ligand release binds to its own receptor. Is the endocrine signaling, where the sending cell is distant from the target cell. Usually, what the sending cell does is that the ligand release goes to the bloodstream and travels through the blood to reach the target cell.